Hello all, welcome to our channel. So, any kind of YouTubers, how to upload the videos on your particular YouTube channel with the proper SEO score option. So nowadays, YouTube communities and channel, playlist and shorts and podcast, so many things are we are here. So right now, the video upload on your particular YouTube channel option. First click for edit draft. So here, the first of all, what is the video will be here? How to share Facebook post on LinkedIn and Twitter. Step by step tutorial will be here. So after this one, add your channel name. So copy this, click here. What are the topics you have covered here? That should be add and your hashtags will be here. So topic will be in LinkedIn, Facebook, and we have to will be here Twitter. But Twitter we have to add will be after the fourth option. Why? Because major important your channel will be should be hashtag is important. First important point. Second will be what are your targeted Facebook and LinkedIn will be here. When coming to your here, in a using LinkedIn, see 1,14,000 videos are there, 225K channels will be using for hashtag will be LinkedIn. So hash preference will be nothing but sending the keyword. The keyword, how many people using that option. So this information, how to know this? That is called, we have to option name is called vidIQ toolbar. This is the browser extension will be here. That extension will be use the here option. First of all, register important. You can first of all register your account. vidiq.com is a here. Just you can go with the login option. When it is login your account, they can show your particular channel information. All your trending keyword, what is the people searching keyword, everything we can show will be here. So that is the major option. So Google ads, Facebook ads here, what are the everything will be here. So same like that, what are the channel you can add will be here. That you can add will be in this particular channel option. So I can running my ads will be very minus range. So that is the increasing for here is the option will be here. So first of all, anything we can using with this option will be here. What are the those we have to install will be VDQ toolbar is most important. So automated login, the login will be show the particular option. Any analytics is required, we can show will be analytics will be here. That will be open for the dashboard option. And when coming to this one, your proper SEO score. Out of 50, the best score will be more than 34 out of 50. Out of 100, the best score will be out of 100 will be 60 is a better score. After this one, thumbnail. Thumbnail purpose, very unique design you will be created will be here. That is called YouTube thumbnail image. What are the tests you have intimated? That will be copy this here. Click this. Already we have number of designs will be here. Click this. What are the designs you have? Click it. So we'll be here. Which is image will be more present. So design image is more powerful, particular users. Next will be mainly what are the express your call. Your channel will be subscribe purpose. That image you can design by the logo will be here. So simple. Click this, download. Image should be clarity is maintained is more important. So any kind of adding icons, anything will be required. Add by icons will be very much of important. If you will be go for icons, so any icons you have to use, we can number of icons will be there. So icons we can download will be option name is called. We have to use into the particular Google, some other anyone we can use this option and we can download by the icons and upload by your particular things. So we can click as element. What is the arrows? We can check it out. The arrows will be here. Now click the arrow will be here. Download with the JPG format. So complete any YouTube's major important key point is called what are the title mentioned. The thumbnail will be same name you can should be mentioned will be properly important. And uploading time, what are the title mentioned? Same title you can upload. That is called file name is the more important. Lot of people major mistake is called your file name uploading time and after uploading will be changing title will be very effective by the your YouTubers will do the SEO time. So before uploading any file with the proper name you can upload by your YouTube channel option. After this one thumbnail. After finish this thumbnail, when search this keyword on YouTube, what are the people most searching? They will be recommended by the your particular option will be right side will be here. LinkedIn, Twitter, Distract, so many will be here. So there is option will be how to share Facebook post on LinkedIn. So copy this is a new feature will be given by the in a playlist option name is called. We have to create option name is called in a broadcast of the will create by the Facebook marketing tips public. The same like a video will be can show this. Add your particular logo option. Where will be logo here. Click for create and create your particular playlist. So each video can create the new playlist. Visually can create by the particular playlist by Digital Rakesh. So easily people will be know about the particular playlist option. Another playlist, same. Click here. Ingredient place I'm adding will be Twitter. Same by. So we can go with option name is here. Click for done. So after this one, what are the your done by your playlist? We can add it here. This will be added by your particular things option. Existing playlist. Same like that. What is this platform will be here? That can add by here is the option. So recently, Facebook introduced by the or any kind of things we can sharing will be so many options are here. Same like in YouTube, broadcast will be given to the particular audience. So there is the most will be here. Why people using for podcast? In a particular page, how many people are watching for view per hour? Everything we can show you a particular option. So that is called you can create the broadcast and engage your audience, and you can check for the analytics option will be here. After this one, you can add your particular tags. So in a tags posting time, you have to share Twitter. Each individual tags we can use it. And how to share Facebook post. Everything will be here. Major important call today recording date. What is the today? Is the, what are the language we can use? And if you this video we can target by any particular one location. You have to target one location. This video you can target which will be here. Global not possible. So for this video only for India purpose. Target only for India. But my option will be not specified. None. So this will be we reach with the video will be every global location. Suppose you can promote any one business. The video we can target one particular location. We can target will be particular location also will be here. So those steps we can follow will be in particular option. Click for next. After this one, any kind of YouTubers, we have option name is called right engagement is there that you can using for montage option will be here all countries. After this one, what are the your country will be posting this? We have to update will be here. After this one, so this is the your ad. This video will be more than 8 minutes. We have to add by the manage mid-roll ads will be there. That mean by in between the video seconds, you can place your manual ads. Suppose less than 8 minutes, they can visible one or two ads. More than 80 minutes, we can display in between the minutes. We can add by the n number of ads. So that is a major important. Click for next. After this, none of the above, any kind of violation, any kind of harmful content, anything, they will be blocked here. So that is called none of the above. Click for submit rating. So after submitting ads, YouTube Premium, other YouTube revenue like merchant is here, everything will be careful. Save for ads. After this one, any video we can publish will be draft. After publishing draft, certain seconds, the automatic YouTube will be created by the subtitles. So that is the reason any video uploading to publish time you have to give the break for minimum 30 minutes to 1 hour. So that is the first of all you can drop the video, drop condition after you can edit the video and publish it with a proper subtitle. After this one, we can add by end screen. End of the video, we can show will be what is the reason uploading videos. Second will be subscribe button. End screen supporting for 4 options, but we are adding will be only one option. So we can adding will be here. Any specific video we can add it. Recent upload, subscribe, best for viewers, and one video we can upload will be here. Click for save. After that, cards. Cards will be after adding in the video, they can show will be in the right side corner. I nothing but is a cards. They can visible by the 2 videos and your particular playlist option. So how many cards we can add? We can add will be 5, but better we can add will be 4 is the better, but the add will be cards. Don't give the 5. After finishing this, Click for next. They can visible by two option, any copyright and ad suitability. Everything will be fine. Click for next. Any video we can go with the option name is called private. After video done by private option, you have to wait a certain seconds. Will be here. Go to manage video. Is a private. Now click the private will be unleashed. After unleash this video, immediately we can do option name is get share link will be copy. Click for nim tools. Do this backlink generator. Copy the link. I am not a robot. This will be successfully generate the backlink on your particular YouTube channel video. Same this video, you can do this Pinterest backlink submission website. That all will be follow will be same method will be whatever we can show in the previous video. That already will be there. So YouTube uploading time, we have to follow the proper conditions is important. That will be here. After backlink will be done, we can schedule your video with the publish with set as a premium or schedule with the premium option will be there. So right now, publish with set as a premium, click for publish. The video will be published on time on your particular channel. Once it is done, immediately we can do option name is called major important key point is called in your YouTube. We have to do this pin comment. The pin comment, how we can do this here. So this particular one post will be there. The post will be open it. Copy this. Open the video. Comment. Select pin comment. Immediately they can do the pin comment. After this one, we can share will be Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, Go, Blogger, Tumblr. So many options are here. Pinterest, everything will be here. So use the different keywords, and most of the backlink will be Pinterest, Tumblr, Reddit. These are the links we can create it on your particular YouTube backlink purpose. So manually submit will be Focus, Gitpocket, Instapaper. So many website will be here to get the backlink purpose. So this will be everything will be common for the every YouTube will be uploading the video will be here. Compulsory before uploading the video in publish mode, we have to click for nim tool, generate the backlink for your YouTube video. Your video we can publish for other YouTube, other websites. They will be published, getting for backlink purpose. So this is a very helpful for the video backlinks, getting for more views and particular content will be good, getting for subscriber also. So this is the follow the method. Any further question, please contact my channel. I definitely will be support you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.